1971 Pontiac Lemans Sport here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A little GT look to this one though, with the Endura front bumper, GT hood and spoiler. Numbers matching, 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a numbers matching automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front end. Of course, that Endura bumper I previously mentioned. As you can see, it also has had and high intensity headlamps installed. And then that GTO hood. Paint color on this, Cardinal Red 75 paint code. That would be the original color this left the Pontiac showroom floor with. And it has the ivory interior, which also would be correct for this car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see that engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on a 5-spoke chrome wheel, radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Now, as far as the paint, real quick, I'll get into that. There's a few spots where you're going to see some imperfections, a little touch up there, maybe a little stress in the hood. Overall, it has a nice shine to it, but there's a few spots where you can see some imperfections. Check those out in the still pictures. We tried to highlight them. I'll try to point out a few as we go around this car also, but let's take a look down this passenger side. Free of any major scratches, nicks in this door. If you look real close, you may find just a little ding or two, but overall, this car is going to turn some heads. You can have some fun with it at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There's that ivory interior, bucket seats up front, seat belt still intact. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. A little spot in the dash that has been patched. Convertible top cover, also in the white vinyl or ivory color. A few things that are going to go along with this car. It has had a Edelbrock 1405 installed with choke cable. So we're going to give you the carburetor that came off of it, more of the stock style headlamps, Edelbrock low profile air cleaner, another air cleaner that will go with it, and the jack, and another convertible top cover. So we will put those all back with the car, and you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures if you want to look at them a little closer. As you can see, dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper. There's that GTO spoiler. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few things to mention on this one too. It does have newer front and rear main seals, so those were redone, as well as new oil pump. It also has had a coolant flush, new coolant installed with a thermostat, timing seals, plugs, a fresh oil change, fuel pump. Previous owner did mention antenna needs to be hooked up to the radio. Brakes are 60% in the front, 50% in the rear. Also have had the wipers working, as well as the heater does work also, as well as the radiator and the wipers I mentioned. A little spot back here, if you can see that light scuff. And don't get me wrong, as you can see, this paint has a nice shine to it. It is going to turn some heads. Fun car to drive, no doubt about that. And there's one little spot I noticed up here. And we should have those all in the pictures also. So take your time looking through those pictures. If you like these Pontiacs, whether it be a Le Mans or a GTO, maybe it's like the early 70s muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, take a little closer look at the interior of this. The GTO door panels also added. So I guess you could kind of go with GTO tribute. A little wear in that driver's seat. Appears it could very easily be original interior in this one, which is definitely kind of cool. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Power top is also in working order, and you're going to be able to see that going up and down. And we'll check out the condition of it. That is also ivory, just so you know. All right, let's get this fired up. I mentioned manual choke cable right underneath there. Can be a little cold-blooded, but it has ran just fine for me. AM FM cassette, excuse me, AM FM radio, no cassette. And the tech did have it noted that he had that working. There it is. So AM FM Delco radio. Dash looks good. Nice throttle response, good sounding car. And remember numbers matching. 350 V8 and numbers matching transmission. Let's take a listen. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Nice throaty, deep exhaust note. All right, let me slip up here. We're going to check out the hood, get that popped open, take a peek at the engine bay. We'll run up that top, check out the condition of that, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. So, a good look at the underside of the hood. Flat black, nice and clean and tidy. And a nice clean engine bay too. We do have a battery disconnect over here for when it's in between drives or in storage. There it is. You can see that new Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Low profile air cleaner. Looks like a new air cleaner. Like it's running awful smooth. Just the way it should. Sounds good, looks good. Let me go ahead and get this tripod set up so we can check out that convertible top, see how that functions, take a peek at its condition. and the convertible top up. So as you can see, power top functions as it should. And fit above the windshield, nice and tight. I have not noticed much wear on it. Side glass also rolled up so you can see how nicely that fits. White vinyl glass rear window. Don't always see that. Not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes. Like I said, much wear at all. If you need it to keep you out of the sun, maybe a brief shower out of the rain, gonna serve its purpose just fine. Side glass on the passenger side also fits nicely. And back around above the windshield, good tight fit. All right, I will show you the top folding back down so you can see that function of it also. And after that, Jason's going to take you for a virtual ride in the car as he goes out and takes it for a spin down the road. 1971 Pontiac Lemans Sport. Has that GTO look with the Endura bumper, hood, and spoiler. And remember, numbers matching. Engine and tranny, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1971 Pontiac Lemans. This car is a convertible, and we do have a top up today. Looking good in red with a white interior, of course black dash. Our turn signal indicators are working. This car has a nice crisp throttle response. Also a very nice exhaust note if you can hear that. Radio is working. The wipers also work. The blower motor blows air. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Factory horn is working. That Pontiac steering wheel with 3 prongs and 3 horn buttons. Factory looking bucket seats in this car. Nice suspension. It's soft enough to absorb any of those road bumps, but firm enough to feel a little sporty. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. It is clock equipped over here. Speedometer working as it should, right in the middle. And then on the left we have a fuel gauge that's reading completely full. And for the temperature, generator, and oil, that would be warning lights. Corners well, but as you'd expect for a 71 Lemans. There's that kick down. As I was saying, nice throttle response and good acceleration in this car. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac Lemans at uniqueclassiccars.com.